Hi, my name is Jason Courtney. I just want to say a sincere thank you to Allstate Home Leisure. They are absolutely incredible. I got to tell you, in a day right now when we are fighting to get good customer service, this company goes above and beyond. When you're a kid, when you walk into a store, I remember going into like a toy store and it was just incredible. Well, this is kind of like the adult toy store for us. I mean, every time I walk in there, you can get caught up for like 30, 40, 50 minutes just walking around, seeing the things that you absolutely want and love. The hot tub is probably one of the better investments we've made. We stay active, we stay healthy, and now that I'm getting a little bit up in age, I gotta tell you, every single night we're probably in that hot tub. The kids love it, I love it, my wife loves it, so we, not only just for leisure and stuff like that, but also for my body, my health, it helps me to relax my muscles, and I gotta tell you, if you haven't had one and you do that maybe 30 minutes before you go to bed, boom, puts you out like a light.
Hi, I'm Patricia Courtney. The installation process was good. The people that came to drop it off knew exactly what they were doing. It was very quick and it came together nicely. They walked us through how to use it and answered some of the questions that we had, being a first-time jacuzzi owner. So I know the family loves the pool table the best.
Oh, come on! Yeah.
I am tied between the jacuzzi and the arcade. I would almost say the arcade because that was something that I bought for the family as a surprise gift for Christmas.
We come down here and it's something fun that our family does a couple times a week, and we'll have like family games and we'll always have fun, and it's a nice competition. I like the pool table because we do stuff with our family.
When I walked in the store, only for the second time, they remembered my name. That's kind of unique, so that really made me feel good, and I gotta tell you, every time I go in, they address me by my name, and they even know my kids, which is incredible, so it's a different experience.